Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be you sneak up on him. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you.
Visitors on this planet.
Welcome to racing.
Radiator Springs.
The champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Real race car. Guida, to the starting line.
Uh-oh.
About the race?
It takes more than good tires to win a race.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Uno for the money, do it for the show. Try to get it. Come on.
And you sure was fast.
Yeah, great racing.
Racing? I'm talking about tractor tipping.